71. Is equality possible? Today, a vast amount of money and legislation is dedicated to making equality a reality by law. The only conclusion of such a course of action is bankruptcy, both moral and financial bankruptcy, because the very idea of law is against equality. Any and every law immediately discriminates and guarantees inequality because it declares certain acts and the people who commit those acts criminal. This is discrimination, and it is inequality. The criminal is by law made unequal to the law-abiding citizenry. But supposing these laws are changed radically, what then? You still have inequality and discrimination, only now you discriminate against the law-abiding and hard-working. Any and every law discriminates. It establishes a difference and an inequality before the law with respect to men in terms of good and evil. The only question for any society is this: whom shall we discriminate against? Shall we discriminate in favour of socialists and communists and against property owners? Discrimination and inequality cannot be abolished by law. They are the realities of a moral world. But can discrimination and inequality be abolished, as some anarchists hold, by abolishing all civil law? On the contrary, a new inequality would be established. In a lawless world, brute force will discriminate against the weak and defenceless and force its will upon others. Equality is a high-sounding and impossible dream. A little thinking makes it clear to anyone that it's impossible. Then, why is it promoted? It's an easy way to garner the votes of simple-minded fools and envious men, and those who promote equality are really interested in gaining power. All our equal rights legislation has only hurt the people as a whole and added more powers to a growing monster government. And the same trend will continue as long as there are enough fools to believe in equality. And fools are dangerous to society. As Solomon said, "Let a bear robbed of her whelps meet a man rather than a fool in his folly," Proverbs 17:12, and "A companion of fools shall be destroyed," Proverbs 13:20. The only remedy? The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction, Proverbs 1:7.